Here we will see array methods in Python. First is array with parameters, data type and value list. This function is used to create an array in Python which accepts parameter as data type and value list, where data type is the type of the value list like integer, decimal, float, etc. The value list is a list of values of that particular data type. For example, a equal to array with parameters I and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I represents integer data type. Next is insert with parameters, position and value. This function is used to insert an element to the array at a specific index or position. It will take position and value as its parameters, where position variables tells the position and value is the value need to insert into array. For example, a.insert with parameters 2, 9. This will add a value 9 to the array A at the index position 2 and the remaining elements will be arranged appropriately. Next is append with parameter value. This function is used to add value or append a value to the existing array at the end. It will take the value which we want to add as an argument. For example, a.append 6. This will add a value 6 to the end of the array A which is created in the previous example. Next is remove with parameter value. This function will remove the given element from the array. It will take value to remove as an argument and removes the element from the array and it won't display that element. For example, a.remove 9. This will remove the element 9 from array A and will see list of all the available elements in the array. Next is extend with parameter array. This function is used to add an array of values at the end of the existing array created. It will take an array of values or an array as its input argument. For example, a.extend with parameters array 758. This will add an array of values 758 to the end of the existing array A. Next is pop. This function is used to remove an element from the array. It can take the argument as a position of the element that we want to remove, or by default it will remove the element of the last index. For example, ar.pop will remove the last element in the array and displays remaining elements. And ar.pop with 4 will remove the fourth index position in the array and displays the remaining elements. Next is index with parameter value. This function will return the first position of the value in the array. It will take the value as an argument to it and returns the first occurrence position of the value in the array as output. For example, ar.index2 will return the position of the element 2 in the array. Next is reverse. This function will reverse the array and returns the reversed array as our output. It will not take any argument. For example, a.reverse will reverse the array A and stores the result in A. Next is from list with parameter list. This function is used to add a list to the end of the array. It will take a list as its input argument and the output of this function is an array with list appended at the end of the array. For example, here list li is created with elements 10, 9, 8. And if we execute a.fromList with li, will create a list with the list of values of the same data type as an array. And if we call the function fromList, it will add the list to the array and the output is an array with the list elements added at the end of the array. Next is count. This function will tell the total number of occurrences of the given value in the array. It will take a value as an argument and displays the total number of occurrences of it. For example, a.extend with elements 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 and if we give a.count 2, it will give the output 2.